In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to earn $100 per week on Fiverr. No skill required. Actually, you need a skill to offer a service on Fiverr. In my last video, I posted on how to design ebook cover. So ebook cover is a services rendered on Fiverr. If you've watched the video, you will understand totally and you will know how to design an ebook cover right away. So this is a service which you can render on Fiverr. So let me just show you guys some gigs real quick. Gigs that are really selling on Fiverr regarding the ebook design. So let's just search fiverr.com. So we're logging on to fiverr.com. So I'm gonna be searching here on the search bar. I'll be searching the ebook cover. So these are services rendered on Fiverr. So to earn $100 a week, you just have to know how to design ebook, as simple as ABC, and you'll be earning $100 a week. So I'll be opening each of these gigs to show you a real stuff on these gigs. So okay, here we have it, and the third gig, here we have it. So I'm going to be showing you each of their profile to show you how much ebook cover design is selling on Fiverr. So as you can see, this gig is having 11 orders in queue with 1,636 positive reviews. So, and this person is into designing of ebook, as simple as ABC. Designing of ebook can fetch you more than $100 a week. So let's go to the second profile. As you can see, this person is having 263 orders in queue with 26,288 positive reviews. This is really mass. So guys, ebook cover design is really selling on Fiverr. You just have to watch my recent video, know how to design the ebook, and go on Fiverr and create your account, set up everything and start making money on this platform. So guys, let me show you the third profile. As you can see, this profile is having 84 orders in queue with 3,477 positive reviews. So this is what you can render on Fiverr to start making $100 plus per week on this platform. You don't have to stress yourself. Just go and watch my video I posted recently and you will know how to make ebook cover. Then you can be offering this service on Fiverr. Let me show you guys my profile and show you real thing I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna log in to my Fiverr dashboard, showing you guys a real talk what I'm talking about. So I'm logging onto my Fiverr dashboard. As you can see, today is 3rd of April and I already made $60 in Fiverr, and as you can see, I'm having active orders of $120, and this is not just a per week. So guys, I'm really telling you this, you can make $100 plus a week on Fiverr if you really know what you're doing. So I would like you guys to stick to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe on my channel, put on the notification to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And guys, I'll be dropping hot videos on how to set up your gigs, how to promote your accounts and stuff. So you guys just stick to this channel and see you guys in my next video.